are we now?
We are in Brunei!
No coordination!
Brunei!
Hello there, my name is Jelly and welcome back to another vlog. Let's take about 5 seconds to acquaint yourself with my two other travelling buddies for this series of Brunei travel vlogs, Elwina and Mr. P. So this will be our accommodation for 2 nights. We parked our car here. The small little car here. Reception, check-in area here. Hello.
Yes. One double bed. Window booking? Yes.
Room tour. It's a family room. So this will be Elwina's bed, our bed, separated by a table. A small table, armchair, an exercise bike, a small balcony, dressing table, TV, toilet, it's a shower area, sink.
You say that everything is okay.
Good morning, guys!
Morning! Morning!
It's a sunny morning. It's 10 minutes to 8 and we are on the car. We are running a bit late on our way to Temburong National Park. Yeah.
First, we are going to go to Freme Rainforest Lodge.
We need to reach the lodge by 8:45 to meet the rest of the group.
It's a 1-hour drive away and we are going to pass the longest bridge in Southeast Asia.
Most visitors to Brunei stay near the city centre, but I would advise nature lovers to go further. Temburong district, although part of Brunei, is an enclave surrounded by the Malaysian state of Sarawak to the east, west and south and the Bay of Borneo to the north. The park is situated in the extreme east of Brunei and is the first national park to be established in the country and protected since 1991. Ulu Temburong National Park provides the best natural experience in Brunei and is one of the oldest parks in the world. Covering over 50,000 hectares of pristine rainforest, it is known by many as the green jewel of Brunei. We are going on to this bridge. These days, Temburong district can be reached by land crossing thanks to the construction of the Temburong Bridge from the Brunei capital. Before the bridge was built, the only transportation options between Temburong to Brunei Muara district was by speedboat or by crossing 4 checkpoints overland in and out of Malaysia. Driving across the Temburong Bridge was quite an experience. The Temburong Bridge is the longest bridge in Southeast Asia, 30 kilometers in length, built and opened in 2020 to ease transport and increase tourism. Besides the utility of this bridge, it is an attraction in itself, a representation of modern architecture, a joint project between Brunei, China and South Korea.
You're coming back, you're coming my way. You don't know if you're here to stay, but you're coming down. You're coming my way, like golden clouds in the sunset sky. You turned the page and made it alright. The amber lights were on in my...
There's so many trees everywhere. Very green. Fire station. We drove to Freme Rainforest Lodge first because we had booked a half-day Temburong Rainforest tour with them. The itinerary included morning tea and safety briefing upon arrival at the lodge, a longboat ride upstream to the national park, a canopy walk and visit to the Sungai Apan Waterfalls. To end off the tour, a traditional Temburong lunch would be served and each of us have the choice of going on a zip line or do some rock climbing at their in-house rock wall. We had initially opted for whitewater rafting down the river, but upon arrival at the lodge, we were told that the water conditions were undesirable for all water activities, including kayaking, due to heavy rains the day before. Both Elwina and Mr. P went for a zip line while I chose rock climbing. We have our morning tea here, provided by them. Small little shelter. Hi guys!
Hello!
Hi!
We are at Freme Rainforest Lodge now and we are waiting to board the Tamoy upstream to the
long boat, right?
The long boat, yes, that's
It will
correct.
take about 40 minutes or so. How do you feel, Alwina?
Excited!
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Are you upset that you can't go on the rafting?
No, it's okay. There's always another time.
Yeah, because the current is too strong and apparently it's unadvisable to do any water activities today. And so we'll either be doing zip line or rock climbing. We are gonna try on their rubber shoes. Apparently it's very muddy and slippery today.
So we were using 3 longboat. I will divide you into 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
So we wait for them first because we combine going up.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Hi. We are all suited up.
Okay, keep.
你在去捡垃圾。We're going to meet our friends. The crocodiles.
Wah, yeah.
Apparently we can see otters at the river banks also. So I'm just a bit nervous about boarding the boat. The national park can only be reached by river and accessed by longboats. Longboats are long and narrow vessels powered by motor with a shallow draft and no overhead cover. They are capable of carrying several passengers, perhaps up to 5 or 6, spaced over the length of the boat. Heading upstream, both riverbanks were covered in dense rainforest. Everything was green and lush. It was a 45-minute boat ride one way in the hot sun. The rapids and currents were really strong due to heavy rains. It's really very hot.
It is very hot.
Do you regret not having a cap?
No, I'm okay.
Rubber shoes. It's a bit loose. Elwin, hi. What do you have to say?
Very excited.
For sun protection, wear a hat or cap which has a chin strap or run the risk of having it blown away by the wind as the boat speeds upstream.
You say that good things take time, and so they do. But if good things take time, how long till I get you? Good things take time. You say that.
The current is so strong. Even with the motor, we're still going backwards.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. You say that everything is okay when you bring your.
This is a 40 to 45 minutes ride on the longboat. I think we're only about 10 minutes in.
The same without you and my day. Like golden clouds in the sunset sky. You turned the page and made it alright. The amber lights were on in my life, but you took them. You say that good things take time, and so they do. But if good things take time, how long till I get you? Good things take time. You say they do. But if good things take time, how long till I get you?
Like no animals so far.
You say you got something to say, but you keep it instead for a rainy day.
We just came off the longboat here.
Okay.
We are here in a pavilion.
You say you got something to say, and it's worth the wait. It's worth the wait.
Slowly, no rushing, just take our time.
To get to the Canopy Walk, we had to conquer 1,000 steps uphill with a suspension bridge in between.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Which one?
You say
Oh,
that
the
good
bridge.
things take time, and so they
So apparently, this bridge only allows 5 packs
people, yes.
at any one point of time. It's a jambatan gantung guru.
take time, how long till I get you? Good things take time. You say they do, but if good things take time, how long will it?
One of the bridges still have a long way to go.
Yeah.
Canopy Tower.
The next in line. Oh! This is the first step onto the bridge.
Okay, we are going on.
Things take time, how long will I get here?
Can't tell from the video, but it's shaking left and right.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
It's actually the river below. Yeah, at the end. Looking so fit.
Wake up in the morning.
Climbed about 100 plus steps. You have 900 more to go. Slippery.
No problem.
Say no, leave it behind. There's no gray in the sky, and no
I
clouds.
think it's the algae that makes it so slippery. The stairs are slightly better than these areas. The Canopy Walk gives visitors a chance to observe the rainforest's diverse treetop ecosystem and a panoramic view of the forest.
There's only 2 tower accessible.
Okay.
This one is for going up, and you're going down with the end of it.
So then after that you walk this way back.
Walk this way back. There's only one person allowed to go in one.
We are going to go up to that bridge. There's a bridge here. The Canopy Walkway is a structure built and made of metal scaffoldings. To get to the top of the Canopy Walkway means that you will have to climb the stack of vertical scaffoldings up to a height of 84 meters above the forest floor. Finally! We are on the second tower only. There's a bridge. See the other side. It's just rainforest. This is their Canopy Walk. So only one person at any one point of time on the bridge. For platforms like this, 2 packs. And then when we climb, every level you need to have like a gap of at least 2 levels for weight distribution. Yeah. This is the way down. Yeah, Mr. P is somewhere down there because he has vertigo, so he's not gonna attempt this. Hi! More climbing. And Mr. P is down there. Can't even see. I can't even see. We were there just now. 等下我们过去就要下来。等下你看我怎么下？我看下我会想快。Caught on camera. Okay, very good. The professional. This is one of the bridges. Once we cross over to that tower over there, we'll go all the way back down. So this is 84 meters high, and this is our view. It is simply stunning, and the horizon looks limitless. Imagine this is only 1% of the rainforest. 1%. There's 99% of this untouched. I have to take. Look! The world never gets more amazing. It's vast. Actually, to be honest, I've never been in a rainforest before. Have you, Arina?
Rainforest?
Yeah.
No.
Let's get the music pumping.
Very exciting! We get to go. Okay, we are going back down all the way. See you later. We are right in front of the mini waterfall.
Oh shit, I can't, no, I'm taking out.
All of us look like sheep. Can you
Hey.
water?
Quite fast.
Yeah. We swung by the Sungai Apan Waterfalls, a relatively small waterfall, after completing the Canopy Walk. If you're wondering why we are suddenly wearing helmets, it's because we were advised by the tour guide to do so. Apparently, there had been some accidents recently, hence the doubling down on safety. Auntie, how do you feel?
How do you feel?
Very cold. The water is very cold.
Elena is attempting to go up. There she is. Lunch is served. This is our lunch.
Oh, it's hot.
Everything must touch. Touch, touch,
I'm
touch,
trying
touch,
to
touch,
feel
touch.
it.
Wow, your future husband will be very happy. Everything must touch.
I'm just MC69 in the channel.
How do you feel about the experience just now?
Not bad, quite fun. That's all.
That's all.
Stop, yeah.
1, 2,
Thank you.
more.
Going rock climbing.
I'm going zip lining.
Yeah, zip line got additional the carabiner
Yep.
and the helmet.
Yep.
So excited. Very long never rock climb. I don't even know how far up I can go. That's the rock climbing wall behind me.
Weena,
Yes.
how are you feeling?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Bye!
Okay, it's my turn.
Let's get the music pumping, the coffee's brewing now. This day has just begun. You gotta move.
Hello! Oh.
My phone.
There's no gray in the sky, and no clouds are passing by. You gotta smile and shout.
Yeah, after the kids. The children have more energy.
Enjoy the sunshine. Look for the good life. There's no gray.
Good job, Mr. P, on driving. We are on our way back from Temburong National Park. Overall, it was an enjoyable experience at Temburong National Park. Immersing myself amidst the lush greenery and fresh air was a soul-enriching moment for me. One thing I was disappointed about was a lack of wildlife spotting throughout the half day. It's very bright. She's sleeping. Evidence. If not, she'll just say she just closed her eyes.